Shakera, Shakera.
I just wanna dance, I feel good. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Shakera, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. And I created this bomb ass makeup look. Like, sis, do you like it or not? Like, give this video a thumbs up, leave some bomb ass comments down below, and if you're new to my channel, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn that post notification on so you'll be notified every time I upload, even though YouTube be tripping sometimes. But just double check to see if it's on, because you wouldn't want to miss when I upload. Prepped and primed my eyes, and I used the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Ginger, and then afterwards I just set it with a white eyeshadow. And for today's look, I'll be using the Juvias Plate Zulu palette, and I'm just gonna mix the pink and orange eyeshadows together and apply this above my crease. I'm gonna use a purple eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna blend this directly in my crease. So I'm going with a nice clean brush and blend out those harsh lines. To cover my crease, I'll be using the KYLIE Cosmetics concealer, and it's in the shade Buttermilk, and this concealer is my go-to. I freaking love it. Like, it's so bomb, and I compared it to my all-time fave, which is a NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave the link in the description box, or you could click that eye at the top right hand corner of your screen. So I'm just setting this with some white eyeshadow. You could set it with any translucent powder, any nude eyeshadow, even like a colored eyeshadow if you're not gonna do glitter. So I'm applying NYX glitter primer all over the area that I carved out. The that I'll be using is from Shop Rare Beauty, and it's in Erotic City, and look how gorgeous the glitter is. Back in with the purple eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna blend out the line of demarcation. I should have done that earlier. Applying the NYX Vivid Bright Liquid Liner in Halo, and I'm gonna use it to outline my cut crease. So I'm gonna apply my Kat Von D Tattoo liner in Trooper Black, and I'm just gonna line my lash line. Like, I'm not gonna do a full wing. So the lashes I'm going to be applying for this look is the KOKO lashes, and it's in the style Queen Bee. I've never tried this style before. I tried other styles and my favorites are Goddess, Amore, and Stella, and they're very inexpensive. I'm just going to smudge the purple eyeshadow on my bottom lash line. I'm going to do the pink and the orange underneath. Finish off this eye look, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Trophy Wife, and I'm just going to apply it in the corners of my eyes. Line my lips with my famous NARS lip pencil in Spunk. And I'm gonna apply NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cans on top. Thank you all so much for watching. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up. Also leave some positive comments down below. Turn your post notifications on so you'll be notified every time I upload. And even though sometimes YouTube be tripping, just double check if your notifications are on. And I'll see you in my next one.